Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial where I'm going to show you how to buy the MFS or Moon-based file system token using the Metamask wallet, given the many doubts about buying the token. So the first step will be to download the Metamask extension from Google. So we actually search on Google Metamask, we click on Metamask and a new window opens when we could download the extension. So you click that download and you will go directly to download Metamask. As we can see, you can download it for Chrome, iOS or Android. If you use Chrome, you just need to click Add to Chrome and wait a few seconds for it to download. So you add the extension and you have to wait a few seconds until it's completely downloaded. Once it's downloaded, you add the Metamask extension to your toolbar and then you choose Start to enter Metamask. You can either import an existing wallet or set up a new Metamask wallet. In this tutorial, we are going to choose Create a new wallet. So we proceed to create a new password, making sure it's secure and keep it in a safe place. And then we choose Create. Then it will take you through your secret backup phrase, which is the recovery phrase for your wallet, so make sure to write it in a secure place and do not share it with anyone. Once you've done it, congratulations, you have created your Metamask wallet and it will get you to your Metamask wallet. See on the top right corner, our Metamask wallet is connected to the Ethereum mainnet, which is not the correct one to buy MFS token, as it has to be done through Binance Smart Chain mainnet. In order to do that, you have to add the BCC mainnet. To do that, you have to click on Settings, then Networks, and then to the Add Network button. Binance gives us the information to add the new network, and we will leave in the link on the description with all that information. So as you can see, we have to copy and paste in all the empty gaps. And once we finish it, we click on Save. So we proceed to fill all the gaps. The last one. And finally, we click on Save. And as you can see, we have added a new Smart Chain mainnet, from which we will be able to buy MFS token. Once the Metamask wallet is created and the network is set up, you have to fund your Metamask wallet. In order to do that, you have to go to your Binance account and send some BNBs to your Metamask wallet. So, in order to do that, you have to go to your Binance account and click on Wallet and then Fiat and Spot. And then it will get you to this place where it appears all the coins that you already have deposited in your BNB account. As you can see, I already have some BNBs deposited on my Binance account. So I will send some of that amount to my Metamask wallet by clicking on Withdraw and then sending BNB to my Metamask address, which you can copy by going to your Metamask and clicking on Copy to Clipboard, and then going to Binance and paste it. So you paste the address and you have to write the minimum amount to withdraw, which is 0.02 BNB, and then you click on Withdraw and confirm. So you click there, you confirm, and then Binance will send you a verification code to confirm the withdrawal. Once you receive the code, you write it and wait until the BNB arrives in your Metamask wallet. So you write the codes and then you proceed to send the BNBs, and you wait a few minutes until it gets to your Metamask wallet. So we wait a few seconds. So when you receive the sent BNB in your MetaMask, you already can buy the Moonbase token. How do you do that? Very simple. You go to our website moonbasetoken.com, and you can see that there is a section called buying, and you click there. So you click on buying button, and then you have to click on buy MFS, and from there you come straight to Pancake Swap. So we click there. Once there, you have to click on continue, and then connect your MetaMask wallet with Pancake. As you can see, when it is connected, you can see your BNB balance, and you are able to buy Moonbase token. So you enter the amount of BNB you want to swap for your MFS. In my case, it will be 0.01 BNB. And to avoid any problem during the swap, I recommend set up a 12% of slippage. So we set up a slippage, and we enter the amount, and you click on swap and confirm swap. We confirm the swap, when you can see all the transaction fees, and you can check out the status of the transaction on BitScan until it appears as successful. So we can now see that the transaction has been done, and that means that your purchase is completed. So you already have the MFS token on your MetaMask wallet. Alright then, that will be all the steps. Thank you very much, and remember, your file, your choice.